When you think of smoothies, you probably think of a 1,200-calorie, sugar-infused energy juice made just for bodybuilders. But did you know that there are actually a wide variety of healthy, nutrient-dense meal replacement smoothies which can not only fill you up, they can also help you lose weight and fight the effects of diabetes? It's true. That's why we sat down with pharmacist Dr. Jennifer Lamoureux to learn how she used her own smoothie recipe to help her father totally transform his life. Stay tuned to discover the secret for creating your own diabetes-fighting smoothie. But first, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab 2 free gifts. We'll tell you more about both free gifts coming up.
My name's Dr. Jennifer Lamoureux, and I have a doctorate in pharmacy, and I've been a pharmacist for 20 years, practicing mostly in Massachusetts and Florida. What I've seen in the past is, a constant increase in diabetes, and it's becoming really a pandemic. As a pharmacist, I've watched a lot of people come into the pharmacy, and they've been dispensed many drugs for diabetes, and I just really wanted to help them, with their lifestyle changes, because medicine really doesn't address lifestyle changes. And I especially saw that with my father. As he got older, he gained a lot of weight. He was eating the wrong kinds of foods, and it was really affecting him. He got diagnosed with pre-diabetes first, and after a couple of years he was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and then a couple of years after that he started taking insulin for diabetes, and it just got progressively worse. The medications are great to manage the disease, but it really doesn't help fight the disease and help you get your body back and get your health back. So one of the things that I did as a pharmacist was I looked at what kinds of foods would actually make a difference for diabetes, and spices are actually very good for diabetes because they're low calorie, and in a small amount of spices added to a smoothie would be able to have all kinds of medical benefits that help with diabetes. Benefits like detoxification, which helps you lose fat, and also anti-inflammation, which has anti-aging benefits. When you put these spices in there, can actually help burn fat faster. A lot of times diabetics have metabolic syndrome where their stomach is getting very large, and that type of fat actually is harmful to your body. So when you start drinking smoothies and you start losing that weight, then your A1C goes down, your blood glucose goes down. You live a longer, healthier, happier life because now you have energy, and you also fight off other disease complications that could come from diabetes. Just having a low-calorie drink every day and making that as a replacement for other foods that diabetics really don't need to be eating, such as high-carbohydrate meals that are refined carbohydrates like pizzas and breads and noodles and rice. These things actually worsen diabetes, so they need to have an alternative. When I first approached my father with the smoothies, he kind of was very hesitant about it because he likes to eat a lot. He was getting older and he just wanted to enjoy food, and his health was kind of put on the back burner. But I really wanted him to not think about himself in that way, that his time was running out and it didn't matter what he ate. So what I wanted him to do was just try and lose some weight, and I told him that I had a smoothie that I wanted him to try, and at first he didn't want to start on any kind of program, but I sent him for his birthday a blender, and so he got really excited about making smoothies.
Coming up, Dr. Lamoureux reveals the secrets behind her diabetes-fighting smoothie. But right now, you can grab 2 free gifts just by clicking the link in the description below. Check out our new book, Superfoods for Diabetics, and watch episode 1 of our 8-part series, That Diabetes Documentary. Both free gifts are waiting for you below. Now on to Dr. Lamoureux's smoothie.
For my father, I recommended a specific type of smoothie. The smoothie consists of vegetables and fruit, but more importantly, spices. Spices that increase your metabolism and help you lose weight 3 times faster. And those types of vegetables included greens mostly, but always paired with something to make the smoothie taste better, which would be fruits, but the types of fruits were usually low glycemic index fruits. That way there wasn't a large increase in blood sugar spikes when he drank them. I didn't realize how well it would take for him, but once he was doing it for a while, he ended up starting to lose a lot of weight. And the next thing I know, he sends me a before and after picture of himself, and the picture was just incredible. I couldn't believe how much weight he had lost and how different that he looked. And he told me that he felt, 20 years younger, and that he didn't have to take medications anymore. So this lifestyle change for him did actually improve his life drastically, and no more insulin shots. So that was even the best thing that could have ever happened. One thing I want to stress when you start using smoothies as a meal replacement is that you don't actually have other food on top of these smoothies. It's not like you have a meal and a smoothie. The smoothie is the meal replacement. And with the plan that I gave my dad, you would do 2 smoothies a day and then have a vegan meal in the evening. That was what I told him to do, because vegan meals are also something that, vegetables that you would probably put in a smoothie anyways. But you do have to remember that you're not eating a meal and a smoothie. It's a smoothie in the morning, a smoothie in the afternoon, snacks in between. The snacks are going to be all vegetable based too, and maybe fruit and nuts, sometimes maybe eggs, some kind of protein, but not an entire meal. You wouldn't sit down and have both, because then you would increase your calories, and you don't want to do that. If you also lose weight for diabetes, like even if you just decrease your body mass index by 5%, you can actually lower your A1C to below the diabetic diagnosis, and then it can reverse your diabetes. And one thing I just want to stress is that as a pharmacist, I know how important it is to continue taking your medications to manage your diabetic state. So I never recommend that anyone goes off their medications. But if you do adopt these lifestyle changes, what can happen is that you will see that your numbers at your doctor's office will begin to change. You'll notice that your blood sugar doesn't spike as much, and that your own body's mechanisms start to work properly, and that way you can consult with your doctor, and eventually, if you've lost enough weight and your health is in good condition, you may be able to stop taking some of the medications that you're on today. I see us becoming more educated for sure, and I think that as a society we are making strides to start eating better, and the word is spreading really well. This is a way to subscribe to a lifestyle that is one of the best for losing weight. And I think that the more we spread the word about healthy eating, the better society is going to be as a whole in terms of reversing all kinds of medical situations, especially diabetes. We'll see a decrease in diabetes over the next 10, 20 years. I think a lot of people are just going to get privy to it. And my hope is a better future for you. So today, decide to take action.
We're taking a cue from Dr. Jennifer Lamoureux and whipping up our own Diabetes Smarts Superfood Smoothie. To create the perfect diabetes fighting meal replacement smoothie, you'll want it to contain a few key properties. Number 1, include unprocessed, low-carb, fiber-rich veggies for slower digestion. Number 2, include quality protein to slow the absorption of carbohydrates. Number 3, include omega-3 fats to increase good cholesterol and decrease bad cholesterol. Number 4, avoid added sugars, instead adding sweetness with a small serving of a fiber-rich fruit. Number 5, include beneficial nutrients by choosing a healthy spice of your choice. So, let's get to it. Introducing the Diabetes Smarts Superfood Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1/4 of a cup of broccoli florets, 1/4 of a cup of walnuts, half an avocado, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a cup of mixed frozen berries, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened coconut milk. Add extra water if the blend is too thick. And if you do prefer a bit of extra sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of honey. Now all you gotta do is mix your ingredients in a blender. Altogether, these ingredients should produce a smoothie that weighs in around 450 to 550 calories. That's a full meal in one glass. But if you need a quick, nutritious meal on the run, this smoothie will give you everything you need. The spinach and broccoli will give you healthy carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, the powerful antioxidant sulforaphane, and folate, plus vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. The walnuts will lend your smoothie a shot of protein, fiber, and vitamin B6. The avocado will add those beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. The pinch of cinnamon will give you the anti-inflammatory compounds coumarin and hydroxychalcone. The berries will add natural sweetness while also supplying extra fiber, healthy carbs, beta-carotene, plus antioxidant flavonoids. And the water content within your smoothie will help fill you up and keep you hydrated. Your completed smoothie now contains a wide array of beneficial anti-diabetes properties, from helping to slow your digestion, to raising your insulin sensitivity, to aiding with weight loss, to strengthening your heart health, even to helping your body fight free radical cancerous damage. Just remember, fiber-rich smoothies are loaded with nutrition and can be high in calories. So, treat this drink like a complete meal. Try the Diabetes Smarts Superfood Smoothie today and let us know what you think. To learn more about how to make fiber-rich, nutrient-dense, veggie-based smoothies a centerpiece of your anti-diabetes arsenal, simply click the link in the description below. Check out the complete Diabetes Smarts program, and why not grab 2 free gifts while you're there? We're giving away our new book, Superfoods for Diabetics, and episode 1 of our new 8-part series, That Diabetes Documentary. Just click that link below. And don't leave without hitting that like button and subscribing to the Diabetes Smarts channel. We're adding new vids each week. Thanks for watching, and have a happy and healthy day.